Day, bike check of 2013. So we've got black ODIs, extra soft with green nitro barons. We've got a Odyssey mono lever in chrome. We've got your black shadow conspiracy bars, 28.5 wide by 7.95 high. We've got your Odyssey brake cables, your snafu, your Colony stem, salt integrated headset, snafu V1 detangler. For your forks, you've got Where the People Trust stock salt forks. For your front wheel, you've got a Odyssey Vendoro 2 hub laced to a Odyssey 7K rim, tyres, Toyota Power Block 2.1 size. Frame is a 2010 Where the People Trust in blue. Your brake cables are a Odyssey double cable linked to a Odyssey London mod. Your brake calipers are Fly calipers. Cranks are original salt cranks. Sprocket is a $1 million sprocket in black. Chain is a KMC cool chain, super light. Back rim is a Profile Mini SS laced to a proper rim. Tyre is a Maxxis Grifter. And last of all is my seat, is a red and grey McNeil fat seat. Yeah, so that's my bike check.